Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your pal, and Hawthorne. I'm back with yet another unboxing. This shipped from Walmart.com from Greenfield, Indiana. I'm not sponsored by Walmart.com or Greenfield, Indiana, or any of the products that are in here, but I wish I was. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can go to riptapparel.com, that's riptapparel.com, or onceuponat.net. They have a lot of cool t-shirts. You save about $3 off every shirt if you use my username when you're checking out as your coupon code. Another simple way is just subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and find out when the next videos are being released. So this is the new, to me, Premier Protein Oats Shake. They released 3, I think last year. And they just have added this 4th one. This is chocolate. So this is chocolate hazelnut, Premier Protein with oats. So these have a little bit more carbs, same amount of calories, a little bit more sugar, but you know, yeah, it's pretty cool. The other ones come in like the paper container, but these are actually the plastic ones. Do not microwave. To enjoy hot, shake well, pour into microwave safe container, heat to desired temperature, stir and enjoy. I'm not a chocolate, I'm a chocolate guy. I'm not a coffee person, but I've heard that hazelnut will do the job and help you out. I've had energy drinks that are like keto coffees that have hazelnut, and I've really enjoyed it, so I can't wait to try this. Have you had it? What's your favorite Premier Protein flavor? Is this your new favorite? Leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite flavor is so far. I wish you the best and stay safe out there and have a great day.